Hello, so I'm ready to put makeup on my face. And I decided to record it because I have a little time to do so. So here I am. Thinking about starting with my eyes first, which I normally don't do, but in this case, I think I want to do that first. So I'm just going to add some concealer. I'm going to use the AOA liquid concealer. A little goes a long way with this one. Should put my hair back too. So how have you been? Hope everyone's okay. So I know I want to play with purples. I just don't know exactly which purples. I'm looking around. I see no purples near me. Okay, I think I see something here in this Pure Fusion palette, a Halloween palette from last year. And I see some purples up here. I think I'm going to start with those first and see how they are, because I still haven't tried this palette. Can you believe that? I still haven't tried it. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. It looks pink. Is it pink? Maybe Michaela's palette has better purples. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one better because the purple seems more purple. So I'm just using this one. This is so weird for me because I always do my eyebrows first. I always have my eyebrows done before I start doing eyeshadow. I use that as a guide almost. So it's gonna be weird, but I'm gonna do it this way because I want something exaggerated today. So originally I wanted this to be a Q&A video, but I don't know if anybody's gonna really ask enough questions for me to do a full video. But if that interests you, leave your questions in the comments, and if I get enough questions, then I can do the next video answering all those questions. I had tried that once a while back, about a year and a half ago or last year, I can't remember, and I only had like 3 questions, so can't do a video with just 3 questions. This is a very pretty lavender color. Okay, so now I'm going to the Pure Fusion palette because there's a cool tone purple up here, and I want to use that one to deepen out the crease. So what new makeup releases are you excited about, or have you bought them already? Which ones? Let me know. Leave me some recommendations. I wanted to get the Teresa's Dead palette, the new one from Lethal Cosmetics, and I can't get it right now, but it's on my list for sure. It looks very pretty. Even though it has unique colors, and I've heard a lot of people saying they don't know what to do with it. They don't know how to combine the colors. I've seen a couple of people who inspired me to do looks with that palette, but I think it's pretty good because it's different from other palettes, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna use some black. Any black would be fine. What shows are you watching recently that are good? I don't know what else to watch. I finished 365 days. I know it's racy, but it's very interesting. Or as my husband calls it, women porn. It's not, there's a story to it. But the way it ended, I'm confused because I've heard people say that's the last book, and how could it end like that? It can't end like that. There has to be a final movie to it, because I don't think it's gonna end like that. If it does, I am very pissed. It makes no sense the way it ended. It can't end like that. If you've seen it, then you know what I'm talking about. I want to use this silver from Lunar Beauty, Eternal Eclipse. And I'm going to use this nice silver here. I already added glitter primer by NYX on my eyelids, so it's ready to go. I wish palettes would have more silvers than gold in them. That's why I wanted to get Teresa's Dead palette, because she has a gorgeous, like a liquid silver metallic. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna use this primer by Laura Geller. Just on my T-zone, right here. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Yoma foundation, and this is in shade Fair Lady 12W. It's a bit light for me right now, but that's the look that I'm going for. I'm going to use a sponge. Also, if you're a creator and you want to do a collab, let me know. I'm down for a collab. It could be nail related or it could be makeup related. Let me know, send me a message on my Instagram and we can come up with something fun. My Instagram link is in the description box in case you didn't know, in case you want to follow me. That's where you can find it. I don't know why I thought this foundation was going to be lighter. It's actually pretty good. I'm going to add some Halo Glow by e.l.f. in some areas, just to add a little bit of shine, because that foundation is really matte. A little glow to it. For powder, I'm going to be using this one by Revlon, and it's in shade 001. I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to continue using purple under my eyes, and I'm going to take this dark purple here. Actually no, I'm going to go first with this one and then deepen it up with this one. I'm also excited for the new Wicked Sisters Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, and still haven't grabbed it yet, but it's on my list as well. I have a lot on my list. And and some black just in the outer corner. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. I've been liking this one a lot. It's a highlighter from Saint Lux, and it's very beautiful. It's like a rose gold. I'm gonna use the Cocoa Rose that I got in my Ice Cream Beauty box, and it's by the Beauty Crop. And I'm gonna take this shade right here, maybe add a little bit of this one. And for bronzer, my usual by NYX. As you can see, I already hit pan, and I keep forgetting to buy a new one. It's the only thing that I use from this palette. I think I'm using my favorite lashes by AOA and Style Jean. For lips, I decided to use this one from Black Moon Cosmetics, and it's called Deranged. This color is gorgeous. This card, yeah. Gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna use a lip gloss over it by Lunar Beauty, if I can find it. I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray by Milani. I haven't used this in a long time because, you know what? I've noticed with every freaking setting spray, I've tried different brands and I see no difference. I could use it, it'll last the same way as if I don't use it. So I don't know. The only one that actually I have noticed that it makes my makeup last longer and it doesn't separate and I don't get so oily so fast is the Urban Decay All Nighter. That's the only one, but all the rest didn't do nothing. As lip gloss, I used the Lunar Beauty in shade Divine. Love this one. So this is it. This is the final look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you like it. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.